As always, before you start, remember to cover or mask off all surfaces and objects that are not to be sprayed. And now we can quickly and easily assemble the system. First, roll out the pull cable and attach the handle to the air tube. The cable should be inserted into the guide rail at the bottom of the air tube and guided over the guide hooks to the spray head. Then press the trigger back slightly to attach the pull cable. Then gently tighten the cable with the tensioning screw, but only slightly. Otherwise, paint may be released before the trigger is pulled. Then place the end of the fluid hose onto the nozzle without the securing clip and click it into the guide rail as far as the handle. Now the cover can be reattached. Then attach the control and air hose to the handle and also to the corresponding terminals on the base unit. It is very important that all hoses are firmly and correctly seated and do not come loose during operation. Finally, attach the suction hose and the W950 is ready for action. Sometimes you may need to dilute the paint and also stir it thoroughly. Now lower the suction hose to the bottom of the paint bucket. Select Fill Clean to fill the system with paint. Thanks to the raised control panel, the device is easy to use. Now press the trigger until the paint comes out. Then point the lance towards the wall and switch from Fill Clean mode to On. Use the included test poster for test spraying and to try out the different settings. The adjustment ring allows you to choose between a wide flat jet and a compact beam. You can also adjust the paint quantity to match the desired spray width. A narrow spray width is used with the white area on the quantity scale and a wide spray width with the black area. For wood and metal paints, there is a special spray attachment with a paint container. Fill this, dilute the paint as required in 10% increments, then stir it and attach the container. Disconnect the control and fluid hose. For now, you only need the air hose. Connect this to the handle, adapter and trigger. All the steps shown here are also described in detail in the owner's manual.